Meaning of forklift truck.
Forklift truck.
Forklift truck.
Forklift truck.
Forklift truck. A forklift truck is a type of industrial vehicle used to lift and move heavy materials over short distances. It typically has two prongs, forks, at the front that fit underneath the load, allowing it to be raised and moved. Forklifts are commonly used in warehouses, factories, and construction sites to transport goods and materials. They come in various sizes and designs, with some specialized for specific tasks such as narrow aisle or rough terrain operations. Overall, forklifts play an important role in the logistics and supply chain industry.